Alright, so today we're going to talk about container gardening. Vegetable container gardening is beneficial for a variety of reasons. No matter which size container or material that you use, the container has to have proper drainage. To do that, you're going to want to drill holes in the container, and drainage is reduced when you place the container that you're using on a solid surface. To alleviate that problem, I like to add bricks, anything at least 2 inches tall. What I like to do is add gravel in the bottom of the container. That does two things. That adds weight to the container and it allows for better drainage. On top of the gravel, I'm going to add soil. I usually fill it about halfway up.
Okay.
Next, I'm going to plant the tomato. And when you plant a tomato, you want to plant the tomato halfway or 2/3 deep. Next, I'm going to pinch off the branches that are going to be below the soil. And I'm going to fill the bucket and leave about 1 inch to 2 inches of spacing at the top of the bucket. I like to use a tomato cage that I make out of hardware cloth. And you just set the cage right over the bucket, and I cut holes so that you can access the fruits. Now these holes need to be big enough for your arm and the fruit to get through the cage. That sums up our video for today. For more information, visit the link below or attend one of our container gardening classes.